Hi guys, welcome back to another market analysis video. In order flow analysis, delta is very important aspect to understand how much aggressiveness is there in the market. If you look at in Bank Nifty especially, there is a good amount of delta that has been piling up from the moment it has made a low. The low itself has been made around 11th March, and if you look at on the next day, there is a 1.3k, which is not very significant, and then next day there was a small amount of negative delta, but then immediately on the very next day there was another higher high with a good amount of 3.3k delta, and then later day 11k delta, which is very good with a 800 point move, again 3.8k, 2.6k. Today it's somewhere around 6.7k with 650 points. Even the close itself is pretty much at the highs, indicating there is still some bullishness is there in the market. At the same time, Bank Nifty itself is around the previous high, which is around 50,800 levels. Here in this context, let's understand in this video what are all the key levels we need to watch for up move or any kind of reversal from this point using market profile and order flow. Before we dive into further analysis, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Coming to Bank Nifty analysis, guys, if you have gone back to my yesterday's video, I was speaking about for any kind of up move, it needs to go above 50,000, 340 to 350, 360 levels. Any crossing these levels, there is a good possibility of strong up moves towards 50,600 levels. The day's high itself is around 50,620 levels. So why this level I have mentioned yesterday is that because this is the value area of from the previous price action. So if price manages above these 50,300, somewhere around these levels, then there is a good possibility it will go for the POC, obviously, which is very near to value area low, and then the value area high itself is at 50,640 levels. So this is the main reason. So what happened, the moment market itself has opened inside the value area, but then the opening itself, we call it as open test drive in market profile. So whenever you see this open test drive, think of this like prices are taking a step back the moment it opens, and it has found no sellers there, so the buyers took control and the prices drives in one direction. That was happened. So the moment the prices closes above the poor high whatever is there, you will see range extension minimum 100% of the open test drive, and even the IB itself. This is the IB, and the IB itself is at 300 points. The range extension is this narrow black line, and the range got extended by 100%. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking, I think you need to watch for this area really very seriously. So if you look at, this is where the previous supply is there all the way up to 50,800 levels. So for any kind of further up move, you need to watch for these levels, guys. So look at this, there is a compartmentalization of Bank Nifty around this area. So somewhere around 51,200 to 51,300 levels. Here there is a strong buying coming in this area, strong buying coming in. So once the prices gets accepted above these levels, there is a good possibility further higher highs will be there. So as of now, prices itself is at 50,600 levels. There is a possibility it might even go for 50,800 also, but then I would be careful around these levels because a strong supply has been seen around this area, 50,000, 51,000 levels. So any acceptance above 51,200 to 300 levels, then we can be confident that it will go for first target will be 52,000 levels, and second target will be around 52,400 to 52,600 levels. So this is with Bank Nifty, guys. Now coming to Nifty, I was also mentioning yesterday, like there is a good possibility Nifty will go for 23,290 levels because prices already got accepted inside value area. This is the high point, and this high point itself is inside and got accepted clearly inside 13th Feb value area. So once it gets accepted, likely it will cover the whole value area. That's what happened in the first 30 minutes itself. So the first 30 minutes itself, it has covered the entire value area at 23,300 levels, and then because of value area high there was a slight pullback, but then immediately it has broken the first 1 hour high. And as it said, in like in bank nifty, the first 30 minutes in nifty also is a open test drive. Prices opened, tested the yesterday's blue band area, which actually acts as good support areas, and then it drived in the upside direction. So whenever you see open test drive, there will be good amount of higher highs. That's what happened. 100% range extension has been seen, and once 100% range extension is there around this point, there was a pullback downside. For Monday, what you should be looking in Nifty is that I think again prices got accepted inside value area of 10th Feb, so likely it will go for 23,460 levels, and saying that watch for below 23,400 levels. Any acceptance below these levels, you will likely see prices coming down to 23,310 levels in futures, and for further down move, I think you need to watch for prices sustaining below 23,200 levels. So for now, the value is higher high, previous high is breaking. For further up move, if look around 23,500 to 550 levels. If this buyers take control, you can see another 150 to 300 points up move towards 23,710 levels and 23,800 levels, which is the previous high. Coming to daily analysis in Nifty, guys, Nifty itself is above 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average acts as a good area of support for short-term trend reversals. So because the price is above this, you can expect further continuation. Like previously, there was a turnaround, but today, if you look at yesterday and today, the price is making higher highs. So it is crucial for you to observe the next move of Nifty around 23,500 levels. Above these levels, there is a good possibility of 23,700 to 23,800 levels. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, click on the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. So this is with Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.